Hello everyone, welcome to Rishi Professional Services. In this video, I will show you step by step how to check the tracking status of Mark Express Courier. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your mobile phone or computer. Now, in the search bar, type Mark Express Tracking. After that, press the search button. On your screen, you will see the official website of Mark Express Courier, which is markexpress.co.in. Open this website. Once the website opens, you will see the homepage of Mark Express. Sometimes, an issue occurs, especially on 14-inch or small screen laptops, where the Track Your Shipment option is not immediately visible. In this situation, you might think that the tracking option is not available on the website, but that is not true. This option may be hidden under the top bar due to screen size or browser zoom settings. To make it visible, you can zoom in or zoom out the screen. Press and hold the control key on your keyboard and scroll the mouse wheel forward or backward. After that, the screen will appear clearly and the tracking option will become visible. Now click on Track Your Shipment. Here, you need to enter your AWB number. For example, we have entered the AWB number as 115350870. Now click on the search button. As soon as you search, you will see the complete tracking details of your courier. Here you can see that the parcel is moving from Noida to Pune, and the consignee name is shown as Rishi. Now the most important part is the current status. In this example, the status is shown as out for delivery. This means that your parcel has been dispatched for delivery. And it may be delivered to you today or very soon. Below, you will find the transit details section. Here, every movement of the courier is shown. In-scan means the parcel has been received. Out-scan means the parcel has been sent to the next location. In this example, the parcel moved from Noida to New Delhi, then from New Delhi to Pune, and now it is out for delivery from Pune. This helps you understand the complete route of your parcel. At the end, you will see the delivery details section. Here it is confirmed that the delivery branch is Pimpari, Pune, and the status is out for delivery. This means the parcel has reached the final delivery branch. Please remember, never enter your tracking number on any unknown website. And do not share your OTP, UPI PIN, or payment details with anyone through calls, messages, or links. Always use the official website only. For your convenience, the tracking link is available in the video description and pinned comment. You can directly click on the link to open the tracking page. If you are not comfortable using the direct link, you can follow the step-by-step process shown in this video. If you face any problem while tracking, or if your parcel is not being tracked, please write in the comment section. We will try our best to help you. If your parcel is successfully tracked, do not forget to write "tracked successfully" in the comments. Also, let us know in the comments which courier company you want us to cover in the next video. This will help us create more useful content for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And do not forget to subscribe to Rishi Professional Services. Thank you for watching.